Hello, can you hear me? Good morning, guys. Good morning, Emiliano. Orlando, Aaron, Allison, Ricardo, Alexa, Naomi, Brenda, Liliana Ordóñez, Guillermo, Karen, Jocelyn, Ethan, Mariana, Alexa, Jocelyn, Mariana, Derrick, Ariel, Caleb, Dana, Emiliano, Melanie. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Emilio. Perfect. Now, can you hear me, everyone? Is the audio? Do you have audio? Can you hear me? Okay. You can hear me. Perfect. Ramiro, David, hello. Mariana, Ivan, Aaron, Brenda. Perfect. Okay, now, guys, just in case that the audio stop, if the audio stops, I'm going to write the instructions. So we finish the class, we finish the exercise. I know that you are there. Good to say hello to you. Okay, now the first activity we are going to continue with the activity we made yesterday. It was pendant. If the internet stops, it's because again, the traffic is too much. The internet gets a little slow. Now pay attention here. First thing first, I'm gonna give you this exercise. This is if the internet is slow. Anyway, you answer and register the information in your folder. Now, here, what is that about the folder? Remember to prepare experiences folder with what? Well, with this activities in a USB, and also you send a copy to me to this. Here you have it. Okay, very good. Send it every day. I'm gonna give you some activities so I can collect your participation. Now, activity. I'm gonna give you this activity first. Okay, today's image. Write 3 sentences with all burnt out. What does that mean? All burnt out is an expression that is used when you are either very tired, either exhausted, like this. Some of you might remember we used this image when we were in the club. In the club, we were working with these kind of images. On out, it's an expression that you have to check and write 3 sentences with this 3 sentences, and then type it and send it to my mail and collect it for your folder. Stop chatting. Yes, as I say, the internet connection is going to be a little slow. If it is the case, just pay attention. What we have now, in the last class, we saw some of these numbers, right? It was part of the pronunciation. I couldn't control that much because I was working from the book. Okay, the first expression or the first number we have in pronunciation, 215, 2,750, 27,551, 275,552, 2,750,000, 30%, 4.5. That's for you to check the pronunciation. This is in your book. Anyway, you can't miss it. It is in the book. Now, I'm going to play. Can you listen? Can you hear? Just say yes. One person says yes. Perfect. Some people say yes. Okay. Some people say yes. Now we're going to work with the exercise. Let me tell you. This exercise yesterday we finished. Okay. Now we go to the next exercise that says is a page 108, page 138 here. This is the exercise. Do you want me to play again? I'm gonna play one more time. It takes a little long, but it is important.
Track 8.1, Unit 8, Listening 1. Hello, everyone, and welcome to Our World, Our Senses. This week, we focus on our sense of sight. And my guest is Dr. Henry Chung, an eye specialist at the Western Eye Hospital. Dr. Chung, let's start with the basics. What do we need to know about our eyes? Well, first of all, except for your brain, your eyes are the most complex organs you have. Each eye has more than 2 million parts. That means our eyes can focus on 50 things per second, even though only 17% of our eye is exposed to the outside world. Wow, that's pretty amazing. Yes, it is. And the muscles that move our eyes are the most active muscles in the human body. They allow us to blink on average 15 times every minute that we're awake. That's 10,000 blinks a day. Okay, I have a question. What's the maximum distance a human can see? Well, if you're an adult of average height, on a clear day, you can see straight ahead up to 4.6 kilometers. However, when you look up at the night sky, you can see stars that are millions of kilometers away. That's because they give off so much light. Wow. So we can see farther than we think. But there are animals that have even better vision than humans, right? Yes. You know the expression eagle-eyed? It means having excellent eyesight. That's because some birds, such as eagles and hawks, can see up to 8 times more clearly than the human eye. An eagle, for example, can see a small. Is it true owls and cats have amazing night vision? Well, yes. In fact, an owl can see a mouse about 100 meters away, even when it's dark. Owls can also move their heads around 270 degrees, almost a complete circle. Okay, one more question. We all know the expression, blind as a bat, meaning that someone can't see very well. But are bats really blind? Well, no, actually, that's not true. In fact, bats can see pretty well. But at night, many bats only use sound to find their way. In other words, they see with their ears. Fascinating. Well, I'm afraid that's all the time we have. Thank you very much for joining us today, Dr. Chung. My pleasure.
Very good. This is the audio. Yes. Now, in case that the audio is not clear for you, you can check in your audio book, in the online book, in the online edition. Now, we're going to check the answers. Let me see what are the answers. What is 1.2 million here? Give me the answer here. For the number one, 2 million. What is the letter? What is the letter that corresponds? That means 2 million what? Here it is. 2 million what? For this, what is this? What is the possible answer for this 2 million? What letter? Let me see. Ethan said the letter C. Letter C, 2 million. No, it's not the letter C. Somebody else wants to make another guess. One more guess. What is the answer here? What is the letter that corresponds to 2 million? What letter? What letter? The letter E. Let me tell you. The letter is 2 million. Okay, is letter B. Oh, now tell me. The next we have the number 17. What is for the number 17? If you pay attention to the audio, what is the number 17? 17 is what letter? Okay, okay, that's for the letter A. That's correct. Who did the letter A? Very good, Aaron. Excellent. Now let's go for the number. That means that the 10,000. 10,000. Somebody give me 10,000. I can see your answers. 10,000. Letter A. No. For 10,000. Who says 10,000 is the letter? Guessing. Class is about to finish. No. Letter E. Everybody says letter E is not correct. 10,000 is the average. It's according to the answer here. Now, tell me, here we have for the number 4.6. What do we have in 4.6? 4.6. They say letter F, letter E. Let me tell you who has the answer, the correct answer for the letter C. The letter C. Correct. That's correct. Now let's go for the 100. 100. Who got the 100? Letter E, letter D. Only one letter, Ethan. Just one letter. Let me tell you, this is the letter E. That's correct. The letter E was right. Somebody says Liliana. Right. Now here we have the number 270. What is the answer for this? Can you tell me? Are you sure? Yes. No mistake about that. It was the only one. Now, it was the last one left. Okay, very good. Very good activity. Now, we still have some time for another activity, another participation. In the same page, on the same page, here you have it. This is the exercise. This is the one, okay? We're going to have the chance. This is the 8.2. You have two numbers, yes? One more time, it's an audio. We need to pay attention to the audio. Look at this. This audio, this is what you have. If you check in the book, Yes, we have the number one is a sentence with these one or two options. You have two options, two options, two options, okay? Two options and two options. All right? We're going to listen to the audio. If we don't have the time to answer now, you take it as exercise for tomorrow. And tomorrow we will check the answers. But pay attention. Let's go to this audio then. Let me see. Is the audio 8.2. 8.2.
Track 8.2. Unit 8.
1 second.
Listening. Track 8.2.
Oh.
Track 8.2. Unit 8. Listening 1. 1. People read 1.5 times slower on a computer screen. 2.
My eyeglasses are not so expensive. They cost $260.
3. This survey shows that 35% of teenagers wear glasses. 4.
Honeybees have 5,500 lenses in each eye.
5. Falcons can see 2.6 times better than humans. 6.
We can see the moon, which is 384,403 kilometers away.
One more time.
Track 8.2. Unit 8. Listening 1. 1. People read 1.5 times slower on a computer screen. 2.
My eyeglasses are not so expensive. They cost $260.
3. This survey shows that 35% of teenagers wear glasses. 4.
Honeybees have 5,500 lenses in each eye.
5. Falcons can see 2.6 times better than humans. 6.
We can see the moon, which is 384,403 kilometers away.
Very good. The class finished. Tomorrow we check these answers, okay? Very good. See you later, guys. Have a nice day.